Modern TV unit design ideas. Floating entertainment center. Create a contemporary look with the wall-mounted floating TV unit that keeps the floor space open. Multifunctional storage. Option for a TV unit that combines open shelves, closed storage, and display areas for a sleek and functional design. Minimalist TV console. Embrace simplicity with a minimalist design focusing on clean lines and a clutter-free aesthetics. Custom built-in unit wall. Custom built-in wall unit. Integrate your TV into a custom-built wall unit that seamlessly blends with the overall design of the room, providing ample storage. Mixed materials. Experiment with the combination of materials such as wood, metal, or glass to add visual interest and a modern touch. LED backlighting. Enhance the ambience by incorporating LED backlighting behind the TV unit or within shelves for a contemporary and stylish effect. Geometric shapes. Choose a TV unit with the geometric shapes or asymmetrical elements to add a touch of modern artistry to your living space. Concealed storage. Keep a clean and uncluttered look by incorporating hidden storage options for electronic components, cables, and accessories. When selecting a modern TV unit design, consider the overall style of your home and ensure the unit complements an existing decor for a cohesive look.